In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the page width in the Shopify Dawn theme. Whether you're running a store or setting up your online presence, getting the right look and feel is crucial, and adjusting your page width can make a significant difference in enhancing the visual appeal of your site. So, let's dive in and start customizing your theme together. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, navigate to the Online Store option available in the left-hand sidebar. Click on it to expand the menu further. From this expanded list, click on Themes. The Themes section is where all the magic happens, as it houses your current theme as well as other themes you might be considering or working with. Under the Current Theme section, you'll see a button labeled Customize. Make sure to click on that button to open the theme editor. This is where you can make various adjustments to your store's aesthetic elements, so take a moment to familiarize yourself if you haven't done so already. When the editor loads up, you're going to shift your attention to the top navigation menu, where you'll locate and click on the tab called Theme Settings. It's here that you can access a slew of customizable options for the theme. Now, in the Theme Settings, find and select the subsection labeled Layout. This will open up the panel for layout features, allowing us to adjust the specific parameter we're interested in the page width. Within the Layout section, you might find a slider or a numerical field that dictates the width. Use this control to adjust it to your preferred width. Be sure to preview how this change affects your page. It's important to keep an eye on how content realigns on the page, as varying widths might alter how elements like text and images are displayed. Remember that striking a balance is key here. A wider page might give a sleek, spacious look, ideal for showcasing products with large, detailed images. On the flip side, a narrower width could create a more focused, minimalistic approach, which can be beneficial for text-heavy pages or when you want everything to stay tightly knit in the viewer's frame. If your theme doesn't inherently provide the specific options you're looking for, you might need a bit of custom editing. This would involve adjusting the CSS code. For those who aren't comfortable tinkering with code, it might be worth considering expert assistance to ensure everything is done correctly without disrupting your store's functionality. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. There should be a prominent Save button in the theme editor that records all the adjustments made. It's always a good practice to double-check your live site to ensure that everything appears as intended and that no element is out of place. And there you have it, a straightforward way to adjust the page width in your Shopify Dawn theme. Tailoring the site to fit your vision can truly enhance the customer experience and, in turn, benefit your business. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!